Hey, welcome back to another Novotech unboxing. Obviously, we're here at Novotech HQ. Where else will we be? We don't go outside. Today we have the Ducky One2 Mini RGB keyboards. These are a massive rage at the moment. 2019 has been dominated by these keyboards in the peripheral world. They come into our warehouse and they leave almost within seconds. We get so many orders for them, so many back orders. Everyone's clamoring to get them. They've been made big by esports and Fortnite players because the size of them, the 60% keyboard, you get rid of the 40% on the sides that you don't need. We'll open the box, have a look at them. We have a black one and a brand new white ones. Doesn't matter if you're black or white. Tune. Today we'll get the keyboards out of the box, have a look. We've got a black one, we've got the white one. We've got all the switches, we'll go over all the switches you got, the prices and everything. Let's get inside the box. So these keyboards come in a variety of switches. You have red, brown, blue, black, silver, and you have a silent switch as well. Everyone has their own personal opinion of what switch they like. You can choose whatever you want. If you've never used them before, it's definitely worth looking into. Get a load of that. This is the brown switch keyboard. As you can hear the quality here. These are the creme de la creme of the mechanical keyboard switches. And as you can see, that is the size of it. What I've got here is I've got my own personal keyboard to match up against, and then you can see the size difference there. So you get what you want. So it's compact, exactly what you need. Obviously inside the box you get the keyboard, you get the cable, obviously the USB cable, and then you get the spare keys as well. These are quite nice. Obviously you get the red/pink enter key already. If you're happy with that, you can have that, or you can just mix and match whatever you want. And there's also a nice little, get out of the bag, nice little space bar there to pimp up your keyboard, as I like to say. Nice little touch there. Obviously, the mini RGB keyboard, so it's in the name, it must be RGB. Let's plug this in, get some power in it, and there we go. Boom. As it's 60% keyboard, it's obviously very lightweight as well. It's hard to pass that on to you when you're watching the video. It's very lightweight, but very well made. You have the 3 level feet here, so you can have it however you like. And the German-made switches, obviously, it's like a Volkswagen, isn't it? Volkswagen and German, quality build. So these currently retail for $109.99. Some may say it's a bit steep, but it's not. What you get is such a good keyboard. Main features, obviously RGB, the German mechanical switches. To have a look, if you've never had one before, make sure you read up on the switches, the difference, so you can find your favorite. I will say, the first time I started using it, I had to get used to having my hands in it a bit more. But after a couple of minutes, maybe an hour or so, I got used to it and I was firing away. Thoroughly recommend this keyboard. Obviously, you get the keys, you can mix and match how you want it. Have your WASD red as well as the enter if you want. But I can see why it's big within the esports industry and why everyone wants to have it. Black, and obviously we now have the white, as I've already mentioned. If there's anything else you want to see unboxed, let us know. Obviously, we've done a few now. I'll put links to all the other videos down below. Subscribe as well. Obviously, we've got loads of gameplay footage, loads of other products to see. Thank you very much for watching and see you again soon.